Hello tech lovers, today's video is on KK3 Pro drone. Through extensive research and based on quality, we've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's features, performance of its particular side, or necessary topics, we've got you covered with more information on this drones. We have also included the links in the description box down below. You can like the video, show your creativity in the comment section, and subscribe for more tech-related videos. We upload multiple videos in a week. Now, let's get started. There are different types of devices, and we are surrounded by all kinds of devices. Devices are an unseparated part of our life. One of them is a drone. Drones are very liked by us. For different reasons, we need different types of drones. Normal drones are different from mini drones. For various reasons, someone may choose normal drones, and for various reasons, someone may choose mini drones. The product we are discussing is a budget mini drone. We have chosen this for various reasons. Let's hear them out. This particular mini drone is full of great features. Let's discuss those things. It is 28 by 23 by 5.3 cm in unfolded situation and 13 by 7 by 5.3 centimeters in folded situation. Its design gives you a sense of luxury. The lightweight design makes it portable. The LED lights add some extra beauty to the drone. Overall, the design of this drone looks great. Its cameras have high-resolution picture or video light perception, which lets you shoot great movies with ease. It has dual camera, and the front camera can be adjusted in 90 degrees. Now it is time to discuss various functions of KK3 Pro drone. Obstacle avoidance is important for drone safety. It keeps away the drone from being damaged. Obstacle avoidance is without a doubt one of the best features. Without this feature, it's tough to keep a drone safe. Having this feature on this drone, it can automatically sense surrounding obstacles and avoid them. The obstacle avoidance helps you to fly easily, and novices become professional drivers in seconds. Smart hovering is a useful feature without a doubt. It keeps the drone stable in the sky and helps to have a relaxing flying experience. It provides some relaxation to the operator. Where lots of scenery requires smart hovering, it helps the drones to have a smart and stable flying experience. Whether indoors or outdoors, this drone can hover intelligently, and this feature makes this drone easier to control. Without image transmission, it is tough to enjoy flying a drone. When you don't see the scenery live, it becomes a little bit boring. And it keeps you connected when you can see the live sceneries. Having image transmission in this drone, by carrying a mobile app, you can watch unmanned shooting in real-time image, high-definition transmission without that much of delay. It is fun to have gesture recognition feature. Gesture recognition feature makes it easy to capture photos or videos. Who loves extra hassles? Especially the generation doesn't love hassles. It's a hassle-free process. Having this feature with your drone, you can make a gesture to take a photo. During the flight, aim at the camera and pose accordingly gesture to take pictures. As I always say, zooming ability is fun to have. And the more zooming ability, the better. It helps to find perfect framing. It also helps to get closer to details. There comes lots of freedom with this feature. It is very loved by especially the photographers. And this drone has 50x zooming ability. And with this zooming ability, no fear of high altitude close-up and distant views. You will get this 1 to 50 times freedom through the app, and the screen is zoomed. Flying a drone would have been a tough thing to do without some specific features. Among these features, one is trajectory flight. With this feature, someone can draw the flight trajectory they want on the app, and the drone follows the drawn trajectory. With just some swaps, you can easily fly and drone. You can relax and fly your drone at the same time with this feature. Headless mode is a very necessary feature of a drone. It helps both professional flyers and beginner-level flyers. It makes the directional thing easy, and flying process becomes easy for the flyers. With this feature, you can take the direction of the remote control as the base center. No need to distinguish the direction. No longer get lost. You can also control it through your phone. And controlling a drone with the phone is more comfortable for some of us. Sometimes, it is contemporary too. The drone is wrapped with beautiful LED lights. The LED lights brings a cool vibe with it. It brings a greenish cool vibe, and it looks so good with these LED lights. The blades has some green lines too, and with the LED light, these green lines make a great combination. And the whole combination looks great together. One key control is necessary and helpful feature of a drone. It helps the operator in different situations. It helps the most in emergency situations. Especially the one-touch returning helps the most in emergency situations. Having this amazing feature in this drone, you can take off with one touch, land with one touch, and as we said, return in one touch. Now, it's time to talk about its some pros and cons. The pros are three-way obstacle avoidance, great design and looks, mobile phone control, headless mode. The cons are no bottom camera, no obstacle avoidance. After seeing the positive sides and negative sides of the drone, we think it is a quite good one. It is budget-friendly for sure. And in this budget, the features and qualities are good. If you are searching for a budget mini drone, then you should consider it as a good choice. If you like the video and find it helpful, you can always give a like on this video. Smash that subscribe button for more tech-related, informative videos. The links to all products we have talked about are in the description box down below. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, have fun and keep up the good work.